Hi, I'm Lashon and welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here and you want to be inspired on a daily basis, then this is the perfect place for you. Start now by subscribing and clicking the bell. Hello. My name is Lashon and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a very simple lifestyle vlog where I get here every morning and I try to uplift, encourage, and inspire as many people as I possibly can. Let me tell you a little bit about myself. I am the divorced mother of 3 adult children. I have 2 boys and a girl. I am a United States Navy veteran. I'm also a surgical tech. I am disabled and I work full-time here now from my home. I am a hustler. That's right, I'm a hustler. I get up every day and I work. I do something for my YouTube channel every single day. And I love what I do. I love to help people, uplift people, encourage people, and talk about the love of the Lord. That's right. So this is my new intro. So here I am. And if you like what you see, click like, share, comment, and come back here on a daily basis. So here's today's video. Hello, it's me, Lashon, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see, I am in the kitchen, and it is time for me to make something to eat. Now, I wanted to talk today about struggle meals. I love that name. At first I didn't, but I kind of like that name. But it's a lot of honor that goes with that because you're eating, okay? Because you got a meal. So I always look for the goodness in everything. Let's say, for instance, you don't have that much money, you're trying to stretch. Noodles are always a good way to supplement income and to eat. Now, like I tell you, my goal is to, number 1, to eat every day. Number 2, to eat healthy. So I have to just make sure I can eat, period. So struggle meals are always going on in my apartment. I'm not complaining. I put flavor in everything. I can make noodles, put some eggs in it. I could eat the noodles plain, however you want them. You could put vegetables in there, switch it up, but whatever you have at your house. I'm a leftover type of girl. Going back and forth to the store is something that I just can't afford. So I eat struggle meals, and it's just fine. I'm not complaining. I'm only showing you that you got choices. A struggle meal is something I grew up on. Peanut butter and jelly, pork and beans, hot dogs, noodles, all those things were stuff that we, did ourselves on a daily basis. Being latchkey kids, we had to come and go. That's the way it was back then. Now that I'm a grown adult and I'm living on a fixed income and on a budget, I have to be smart, I have to be frugal, and I always have to put the need to eat before anything else. So for all those who are going to complain in the end and tell me about sodium and all those things, it's fine. I know all this information, but I get what I can afford. I get what I need just to sustain, and that is a struggle meal. So I hope that you enjoyed this video today. It's just giving you some suggestions. It's just simply telling you how I live my life. And come on in and go to the vlog and see how I'm living. It's some people who really appreciate that. So I hope and pray that you'll be kind in the comment sections. Okay? Come on with me in the kitchen. Let's get this struggle meal going. Okay, so here are noodles, 1 bag, and this is the chicken flavor. And we're going to throw this together. You can do it in a microwave, you can do it on the stove, you could do it any way that you choose. Okay, so here are my noodles. I put them in. I like to steam them and take my time. You can make them in a microwave, but I prefer to make mine on the stove. I prefer to do it this way. And that's pretty much it. Most people take them out here. I like mine just a little bit longer. I can kind of just look at them and tell how I like them. Now, I really enjoy these noodles, and it's all about the flavor. Okay, so I wanted to put a little footnote in here in the video. I'm still making my noodles. So I just looked in the fridge. I'm out of eggs. I forgot that I made tuna fish. So I am completely out of eggs. And the plan was to scramble an egg in there and put a little bit of soy sauce in there, and that's how I was gonna do it for this meal. But you know, it's unfortunate I don't have any frozen vegetables in the fridge. The ones in the can tend to not turn out too well when I try to put the green beans in it. The frozen ones turn out a little better. So we're just gonna eat the plain noodles, okay? Okay, that's done enough. And then we're just gonna sometimes this takes a while. I really need to get, I need pots, pans, silverware. I used to have a big spoon that would drain. Don't want to miss out on any of these noodles. Okay, so there's this a pack of seasoning, and we're gonna add this whole thing. And then mix that up. As you can see the steam coming out of that. It's a real simple meal. This will serve its purpose if you're hungry, if you don't have any money. This is the way to go. Okay, all we gotta do now is taste our noodles. Okay, all we gotta do is taste these noodles. And remember, they're pretty hot, so. See the steam? Wait. See the steam? Ah. Is this the chicken flavor? Would it taste better with the egg, but it's still good, okay? So I thank you for joining me today. God bless each and every one of you, and I hope and pray that you have a blessed day. Thank you guys for watching today. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Take a minute to leave a comment. I look forward to talking to you soon. Bye.